Ladies and gentlemen, do you agree with me that laughter is a good medicine? Okay, let's laugh together. Instead, I'm going to peel the pomelo, but I'm going to laugh together. Laughter is a good medicine. If my employer will see me, she will fire me. You see, it's a good medicine because my tea is coming. For those who are pouting now, please laugh. Please laugh with me. You know, this one is not falling down. Good vibes. Good vibes. Tayo. Somebody's coming. You know, the reason why this is not falling down because my head is flat. Laughter is a good medicine. Most especially this funny thing. Then,